Every day seems to show that AI is unreliable. It's winning and it's losing at the same time, but it isn't. The evidence on what AI does is clear and consistent. How do we engage with AI in a way that makes our experts better and doesn't make our non-experts confidently wrong? Many people are trying to leap past where the technology actually is. They hear AI agents at a conference and they want to be 5 steps ahead by Monday. But technology adoption is not really about technology. It's about how people and organizations change. And people and organizations don't change at the speed of a product release. I use AI every day, and so do the people I work with. And we found it incredibly valuable, not as a replacement for expertise, but as an amplifier for it. Now, what does the research show about AI usage? What I see every week when I work with clients all points to 3 distinct outcomes you can get when people use AI. First, it can make experts more productive at the work that they already do. Second, it can empower experts to do things that they haven't been able to do before. And third, in less experienced and untrained hands, it will produce confident-sounding, professionally formatted output with nothing real underneath, and often riddled with errors. We call that work slop. The leaders that I observe that are navigating this well, they tend to do 3 things in this order. They trust the evidence, they design for expertise, and they solve for what matters. We know that AI makes experts better at what they do and expands the scopes of what they can do. And we know that it makes our non-experts confidently wrong. So trust that evidence and don't believe the AI hype that's out there today. And this is the one that most organizations don't really think about, but is the most important, and that is to protect slow thinking. Innovation has always required slow thinking, talking things over with a colleague, drawing things out on a whiteboard, or even letting your subconscious chew on it overnight. Take your best idea and stress test it. The cheapest way to fail is to fail in AI. I think that's what it looks like to be successful in using AI in an organization as an amplifier for expertise. So you can use AI to generate volume and fear in your organization, or you can trust the evidence, design for the expertise that you already have, and solve for the problems that matter. The companies that are going to do the best are not the ones that are going to be first to use AI. They're going to be the ones that can use AI in a way that scales, that is trustworthy, and brings their people with them.